ChatGPT is a very powerful tool. It can understand any questions and write code for all kinds of questions. Let's take a look at the LeetCode. LeetCode is a popular online platform that offers a lot of coding challenges and interview preparation resources. It is very important for software engineers because in this website there are a lot of interview questions comes from Google. In LeetCode you can find the questions for the beginner. There are also questions for the dynamic programming, array, SQL language, graph, heap, bit manipulation, and sort. Let's take a look one example. The question 1 is called the two-sum. This is an easy question. Given an array of integer numbers and integer target, return the index of the two numbers that add up to the target. We can only get one solution and cannot use the same elements twice. So this is the array and the target is none. So if we want to get the target, we use the number 1 and number 2. So it is 2 and 7, and then we get the output 1. The second is target 6. We cannot use 3 twice. We should use the 2 and 4. So the output is 1 and 2. The last is 6. Because we have 2, 3, so we can use both of them. So the output is 0, 1. There are some constraints. For example, the array length and the number of the array and the target. We will use the Java. Let ChatGPT to write the Java code for these questions. And this is the define of the function. Let's copy this question into ChatGPT and test ChatGPT. Make sure ChatGPT can write the correct code or not. Copy the question to here. Let's see ChatGPT. Question we copied here and we check, do we copy the question correctly? Send it to ChatGPT. Oh my god, amazing! Seems the code are correct. Oh, it also output the main function. Wow, it has all the test case and also give a explanations. Let's take a look at the code. Function map, use the map, complement equal to target minus numbers I, and from the beginning to the end, if map contains k complement, it means we get the target, and if not, we put the numbers into I. Seems correct. And the numbers, this is the test case, and make sure the test case, the output is correct. It says use the two-sum, use the nums as a target, use the hash map to store the nums and the index as the key value, and the complement, if the target minus numbers I exist, it means we get the target. Seems correct. So I want to test this code. Copy all this code into the LeetCode, because the LeetCode can test the code is correct or not. Copy to here, and we have a test case. We can run. Let's run. Keep running. Oh my god, accept! It is correct! It means this code is correct! Oh my god, case 1, 2, 3. All of them are correct. Amazing. It's so good. You see any test case are succeeded, passed all the test case. Oh my god. And you can also see in the main function, it already write all the test case. So when we do the interview, we can also write the test case. Let's go to the next question. Or add two numbers. Actually, this is medium difficulty. I don't know ChatGPT can do it or not. This question is add two empty linked list. It is actually a number and it is stored in the reverse order. We need add these two linked list. Add the two numbers and return the sum. So this not say doesn't contain any leading zeros. So you can see these numbers and this number are linked list. So for the first linked list is 2, 4, 3. The second is 5, 6, 4. So actually it means the number is 342 and 465. So if we add these two numbers, it is 807. And the list should be 708. If the link are 00, so it is 0. So this is another special case. We have 6 names, 4 names. If we add all these numbers, so it should have a lot of carry on. We should make sure the ChatGPT can handle this case, because this case is very hard. There's some limitation. For example, the linked list range is 100 and the node value is less than 9, and this is the linked list node. So this is a class, so you can use this class to create a linked list. So this is the, let's copy this question to ChatGPT. This is a medium difficulty question. Can ChatGPT handle it? Let's see. We also need to copy the example to ChatGPT to make sure ChatGPT understands our question more clearly. For example, this is example 1, example 2, and 3. And we also copy all the constraints to ChatGPT. After we copy the question, we need to check, do we copy the question correctly? Send this question to ChatGPT. Let's see. Java code. List node. Yes. Function. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! The code seems correct. Oh, it also writes the test case. Example 1, example 2, and example 3. Wow. The code are so beautiful. Let's see the explanation. The code, let me read the code. Dummy head, current equal to dummy head. If list 1 is not null, and we define the sum as the carry. List 1, list 2 is not null, sum, and go to the next node. Carry on equal to sum divided 10. And then we create a new list and go to the next. Keep going until the next, and we check the carry is greater than 0. Then we create a new list node and return to the dummy head the next. Seems correct. Let's copy the code to the LeetCode and to verify. Copy the code to here, and then we can run. Can it be correct? Running. Good. Accept. Oh, it means all the case. It pass all the test case. Case 1, case 2, and case 3. Wow. All the code are very correct. And you can see the complexity is very good. It just goes through the list notes just one time. You can also see the examples. It writes the examples. That the example is very beautiful. Oh, it also print the linked list. Oh yeah, wonderful. I cannot believe ChatGPT is so powerful. Let's try one more question. Question 3. Longest substring without repeating characters. So this is also a medium difficulty. Give a string S. Find the longest substring without repeating characters. Substring means the continuous. So for example, this is ABC, ABC, BB. So the answer is ABC because ABC doesn't have any duplicate characters, and it is the length of it is longest, and this is I think the answer is very clear. It is just B. This one is PW, WK, KEW, WKE. So WKE is the first substring and the length is 3. It is the longest. This question seems hard. Let's copy the question to ChatGPT. Not sure ChatGPT can handle these questions because this is for the string. The previous 2 questions is just a number. So copy all these questions to ChatGPT. And we need also check, do we copy all the questions to here? Wait. Oh, wow. Seems correct. You see, it also has all the test case and give very detailed explanation. It is very good for software engineer to understand this program. Let's see. Max length star, and we install the character and its index. Define the end and less than the length. Get the index. If map contains KC, get the star and put the C end and compare with the max length. And then we can also see the explanation. See, we maintain 2 pointers, star and represent the star and the end index of the current substring, and use hash map, and we iterate through the string. For each character we check if it exists in the hash map. Yes. And if does, we update the star. Yes, correct. So we make sure the star pointed to the right, and we updated the hash map. Seems correct. Let's copy the code into the LeetCode. I'm not sure it can handle. Copy the code to here. Run. Let's see. Let's wait. Running. Oh, good. Accept. Wow. It's wonderful. All the test case passed. Wow. Test case 1, 2, 3. Any test case. I cannot believe. I cannot believe. Actually, all these questions are not easy. They are medium difficulty. Even for a software engineer, it is not easy to finish it. And ChatGPT code has very good performance. I think software engineer is very dangerous. We don't need any software engineer because ChatGPT is so powerful. It can beat the interview questions very, very well.